Okay, let us investigate the dichromate structure and we'll do a beautiful analysis on the structure because a lot of questions are yet to come in this. This is very important. Okay, now the beautiful thing is structure of dichromate. So dichromate structure, if you see children, it's a beautiful structure. What it involves? It involves a bridged oxygen compound. Okay, and the first oxygen will be having a double bond here. Second oxygen will also have a double bond. Third oxygen will have a negative charge. So three lone pairs on oxygen here, and here you will have two lone pairs each. Here also you will have two lone pairs, and one more chromium double bond, single minus. So this is a beautiful structure of your dichromate. Now you see this all this three oxygens which I have written here. Okay, I am putting a round here. This entire round of three oxygens, they are equivalent. Here also all these three are equivalent. What is the reason? Reason is very simple. Reason is due to resonance. How resonance takes place in organic chemistry? Same resonance you have to do it here. Great. Okay, I'll show you. So the lone pair comes here to pi bond gets converted to lone pair. Now, when these electrons are transferring from oxygen to chromium, this is called, so this is your ligand like structure in intra ligand transfer. Intra ligand transfer. So, this bonds are all equal. This CRO, CR double bond O, CR single bond O. These are all having equal bond length. And but this bridge is having different bond length. See, this is single bond, CRO single bond. These are partial double bonds. So all of you know that single bond will be having more length than double bond. That is the reason this is 179 picometer, or you can say 1.79 Armstrong, and this is 163 picometer. So this is the structure of dichromate ion due to resonance, and due to the transfer of electrons from ligands to metal, it's a ligand to metal charge transfer. Ligand to metal charge transfer. So here DD transition is absent. Okay, next structure will go to chromate, and all this chromium atom is sp3 hybridized. Tetrahedral, so sp3 hybridized. Okay, great.